students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 4th subject looking around environmental studies. In that chapter number 12 changing times. See main question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. What did Neelabhai's father do for a livelihood? A. Business, B. Farm labor, C. Manual labor, and D. A job. Answer is option B. Farm labor. Number 2. In which country did Neelabhai live 70 years ago? Option A. India, B. China, C. Pakistan, and D. Nepal. Answer is option C. Pakistan. Number 3. What did Neelabhai build in Dholavira, Kutch to stay with his family? A. A hut, B. A hut with a single sloping roof, C. A thatch hut, D. A grass hut with a dome. Answer is option D. A grass hut with a dome. Number 4. With what had Neelabhai made the walls of his first house? Option A. Sand cement, B. Mud sawdust, C. Limestone sand, D. Mud limestone. Answer is option B. Mud sawdust. Number 5. What did Neelabhai use to build a toilet? A. Baked bricks, B. Iron, C. Unbaked bricks means bellas, D. Grit. Answer is option C. Unbaked bricks, bellas. Number 6. On what does Lakhabai's wife cook food? A. On a gas stove, B. On a chula, C. On a primer stove, D. On a sagri. Answer is option A. On a gas stove. Number 7. With which tool does a potter make things out of clay? Means mud. Option A. Carpenter's level, B. Potter's wheel, C. Mason's trowel, and D. Machine. Answer is option B. Potter's wheel. Number 8. Which tool does a mason use for laying bricks and plastering? A. An anvil, B. A hammer, C. A mason's trowel, D. A potter's wheel. Answer is option C. A mason's trowel. Main 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. Number 1. Neelabhai's family migrated from Pakistan. They first came to blanks in Kutch, Dholvira. Number 2. Lakhabhai is Neelabhai's blanks. Answer is son. Number 3. The floor of a hut or a kacha house is plastered with a mixture of blanks, cow dung and a mud. Number 4. The kitchen of Neelabhai's house is made in the blanks. Answer is yard. Number 5. People usually fit blanks on the walls of bathrooms. Answer is tiles. See the next page. Number 6. A blanks is called to clay bricks. A blanks is called to lay bricks and plaster our house. Answer is mason. A mason is called to lay bricks and plasters our house. Number 7. A blanks makes things out of iron. Answer is blacksmith. Number 8. We go to a blanks to buy things made out of clay. Means mud. Answer is potter. We go to a potter to buy things made out of clay. Means mud. Number 9. A blanks fit pipes and taps. Answer is plumber. A plumber fits pipes and taps. Main 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and a wrong mark in front of those that are false. Number 1. Neelabhai's family was sent to India by the Pakistan government. Wrong. False. Number 2. Nilabhai first lived in India in a dome-shaped hut in a Dholvira? Answer is true, right. Number 3. Lakhabai's son built a house with modern facilities. True, right. Number 4. A potter uses an anvil and a mason's trowel to make things from clay. Answer is wrong, false. Number 5. You need to go to a mason's for things made out of iron. False, wrong. Now see main 4. Match the columns appropriately. Write the correct index letter alphabet from column B in the answer column. First of all, we will see column A. It's a craftsman. Number 1, potter. 2, carpenter. 3, blacksmith. And 4, mason. Column B. It's a tools. Number A, mason's trowel. B, anvil. C, scissors. D, potter's wheel. And E, carpenter's level. Number 1, potter. Potter's match with the potter's wheel. Number 2, carpenter. Carpenter match with the carpenter's level. Number 3, blacksmith. Blacksmith match with the anvil. Number 4, mason. Mason match with the mason's trowel. Now see the next page. Main 5. Answer the following questions as asked. See the number 1. Over the past 80 years, different materials were used at different times in Nilabhai's house. List this in the correct order. You have to list it in a correct order. See the number 1. First of all, they use in the olden years, they use mud, sawdust and cow dung. Then neem branches, jute sacks. Then second number, unbaked bricks, cement or a sand. Then iron and limestone. Now third, baked bricks and iron. Then after grit, cement or sand. Then number 4, baked bricks or a sand iron. Then grit cement or a marble colored tiles. Now see main 2. Look at the picture and fill in the table. Here the picture is given and you have to fill the table given on the next page. See, here's masons are there. They are doing some homework, okay, building the homes. Now see, question is there, which tools are people using in the picture? In the picture, people are using some different tools, okay. So which tools they are used, that you have to write down. Write them in the given table. First of all, see work, then tool, and what is the person called. Okay, number 1, work makes various things from clay. Okay, those who are making various things from clay means mud. They uses tool is their wheel. And what is the person called? That person is called the potter. Now see the number 2, work mixes cement, sand and water to make concrete. Okay, tool uses spade and a tub, and that person called laborer. Number 3, does the masonry of the houses. Masonry of the houses. And tool there uses mason's trowel, mason's level. Okay. And that person called the masons. Mason is called those who make the houses. Number 4, does the electrical work of the houses. The tools uses tester, pliers, wires, drill machine, and that person called electrician. Now main 3, write about the work done by the craftsmen given below. See the number 1, carpenter. Here you have to write down their work. He makes various things out of wood. For example, windows, doors, smalls and big stools, chairs, tables, cupboards, beds, etc. Number 2, potter. A potter is making various items from clay on his wheel. Example, pots, barrels, small clay, cups, lamps, etc. Number 3, mason. He lays and plasters walls of a building with bricks, stones, marble, tiles, mud, sand, grit, limestone, cement, etc. Number 4. Blacksmith. He makes various things like windows, doors, stairs, iron nets, plows, spades, axes, rakes, etc. Number 5. Electrician. He does the electric wiring of the houses and fits bulbs, tube lights, fans, ACs, geysers, etc. Number 6. Plumber. He fits pipes and taps in the house. Now see main 4. Recognize the craftsmen given below. Here the pictures of craftsmen are given. You have to recognize it. You have to find it that which craftsman is this according to picture, and write their names below each picture. See, the first picture is of potter. He makes the pots. Okay. The first picture is of potter. Then next one is the blacksmith. Then another one is the carpenter, and the last picture is of mason. Now we will see the main 6 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.